And breaking news that we're just getting to hear now, Arvind Kejriwal has written to Prime Minister Narendra Modi this on the ongoing tussle between the LG and the Delhi government over key appointments of bureaucrats in Delhi. Now what he says is that the centre is interfering, so that is the stand taken by the Aam Aadmi Party. In particular, as far as this tussle goes, this has come, remember, in the backdrop of significant meetings that we've seen yesterday of both the Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal, also the Delhi LG Najib Jung with the President as to who really enjoys the overriding powers when it comes to appointments and making key functionaries in the Delhi government. But now Arvind Kejriwal taking this fight a step further. He's written to the Prime Minister Modi saying that the centre is interfering in this process. Aditya with us on the phone line. Aditya, do we know what exactly Arvind Kejriwal has written to Prime Minister Modi on this entire issue?
Well, absolutely. It is a two-page letter that was sent yesterday evening to the Prime Minister's office, already being received by them. And Arvind Kejriwal goes on to write in this two-page letter that through unconstitutional means, the central government is trying to interfere in the daily affairs of the Delhi government through the Lieutenant Governor Najib Jung. And this should be immediately stopped. Also, Arvind Kejriwal urging the Prime Minister to intervene and also let the Delhi government function in a constitutional manner. We tried to ask the Aam Aadmi Party leaders as to why such a letter is being written to the Prime Minister when already a representation was made to the President of India. But clearly they say that Prime Minister is somebody who has Home Ministry under him. He is directly in contact with Rajnath Singh, who is of course the Home Minister, who will give opinion on the standoff between the LG and the Delhi Chief Minister, and that is why it was important to reach out to the Prime Minister, who can perhaps tell the Home Ministry and the LG to not intervene in the daily affairs. So this two-page letter has been sent already by Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal to them. This was done yesterday evening, and clearly Arvind Kejriwal going to mention that there are unconstitutional means being adopted.
दिल्ली के मुख्यमंत्री हमारे राष्ट्रपति से मिल चुके हैं और राष्ट्रपति से इसलिए मिले हैं क्योंकि राष्ट्रपति ही लेफ्टिनेंट गवर्नर को अपॉइंट करते हैं और वहां पे जो कॉन्स्टिट्यूशनल पोजीशन है इस विवाद का उस पर चर्चा भी हुई है, खुलासा भी हुआ है। तो ये मामला जो है जहां पर वो गए थे राष्ट्रपति तक रखें तो मैं समझता हूं यही उचित होगा।
लेकिन जिस तरह उन्होंने आरोप लगाया है केंद्र पे कि वो एलजी के माध्यम से यहाँ पे राज करना चाहते हैं, कितना सही मानते हैं? प्रधानमंत्री को लेटर लिखना कितना सही मानते हैं?
देखिए, आप ये कहें कि जो भी अरविंद केजरीवाल जी करते हैं उसको हम सही माने, ये तो मैं समझता हूँ एक गलत बात होगी। वो अपनी मर्जी से जो करना चाहें, क्योंकि उनका हर वक्त एक कोई ना कोई पॉलिटिकल टारगेट होता है। उनको एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन से कोई मतलब नहीं है, सरकार से कोई मतलब नहीं है, जिम्मेदारी से कोई मतलब नहीं है, सिर्फ झगड़ा से मतलब है। सबसे झगड़ा कर लिए, आज वो नरेंद्र मोदी जी से झगड़ा करने के मूड में है। इसका ये मतलब थोड़ी है कि वो सही है, वो बिल्कुल सही नहीं है। The Chief Minister of Delhi has met the President of India in connection with his dispute with the Lieutenant Governor, and I think the constitutional aspects of this problem must have been discussed, and that is the place where they are being resolved and continue to be the place where they should be resolved. Dragging the Prime Minister into the dispute is meaningless, absolutely meaningless, and making irrelevant charges of this kind is really yet another way of trying to camouflage the fact that the Delhi government under Arvind Kejriwal ji has lost its way, has lost the plot, has absolutely no idea of its responsibilities and wants to politicize everything into some form of dispute. But you cannot hide from the truth. The truth is that this government has completely, I think, gone haywire. Its own administration is in complete disarray. I think it's the structure of service and government service in Delhi. Government is also at the moment not only in disarray, I would rather say it's gone helter-skelter. I think the Chief Minister would be far better advised to put his own house in order rather than pointing a meaningless, absolutely meaningless finger at others.